Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, right? Chinese New Year is just around the corner this weekend, right? Okay, so I may cut my trading short, right? Maybe even Thursday, Friday, or maybe even Wednesday, I will stop trading and enjoy and prepare for the Chinese New Year, which is a big thing for us, right? Let's see how it goes, but definitely today I did some light trading, and tomorrow I'm going to do that also, right? That's for sure. So looking forward to share with you more tomorrow about my trading, right? But today, how was the results? Let's take a look. Hey guys, so we are back on my screen right now, right? And I say today is Monday. Just an update from last Friday, right? Last Friday, my options went into a paper loss of maybe $300-400. You can see that now it is recouping back most of the paper losses, right? Last Friday, I was on unrealized loss of few $100s, right? Okay, so now it's like back to roughly $50. Just now it was slightly profitable, right? It fluctuates because it's live market, right? Keep my fingers crossed for all these options, right? Hopefully it will start to turn all into profit, right? Okay, we see how it goes. But today I did on CXX to sell. You can see over here to sell, and took a loss, but I spotted a crude oil trade and took a win, right? So one winning trade, one losing trade, but one losing small and one winning bigger than expected, and that's why you can see from here overall profit of $114, right? Okay, so let's take a look for CSX, right? I wanted to sell it, as you can see from my list. I did sell it, but I saw it somewhere here early in the market and it went up and I stop loss, right? Okay, then after that it triggered here. I traded it but didn't take profit for a quick profit. This is a small profit anyway. Didn't take a quick profit. It started to rebound back and I went out break-even price, right? Okay, and over here same thing, right? I shorted it, now starting to coming back up and I close it, right? So basically the selling is not working really well for this stock, right? So I decided to stop, right? Okay, so you can see overall even though it's not working really well, I'm only losing like $100, right? MCL trade was a trade that was pretty good. It's still running, right? Of course I closed the trade already. I closed it at somewhere 72.20, right? Okay, but if I have kept it now, I have maybe an additional $300 of additional $100 of profit. So instead of 200, maybe I have another 100 or $300, total to be a profit of $300 from this trade, right? Basically I traded somewhere here, okay, at 71.6, right? I traded here because there's a trigger based on our strategy to trade it out, right? So I traded it and put my stop loss here. So you can see from here and all the way to here is a good risk to reward of 1:2, right? Okay, so I lost that CSX trade 1:1 risk to reward. I lost that, right? 1R loss, and this one is a 2R win, right? Okay, so basically risk to reward profit of 1:2. So and that's why you can see one winning trade, one losing trade, even though the sizing is the same, the amount of risk is the same for both trades, but yet I'm able to make more when I win on this crude oil, right? Because it moved much more, right? So one winning trade, one losing trade, overall profitable, right? This is the way we should really trade, right? And I hope that by sharing this with you, number one, we keep our risk consistent for every trade, right? Number two is we try our best to make more profits. Of course, we try to make more profits in our winning trades and lose the fixed amount that we are willing to lose initially before we even put in the trade. We will have know in advance how much we are going to lose, right? Okay, if we lose, right? Okay, so it's a safe way to trade, and at the same time, of course, from here you can see, hey, it went even higher. Thomas, you should hold higher. Definitely, yeah, on looking back on hindsight, we can definitely say, hey, just now I should have hold, and even up to now, right, I am even more profit. Maybe instead of $200 profit, I may be at $300 or $400. That is on hindsight, but you didn't know when it happened at this point, right? Okay, because we are trading live, we don't know what's going to happen next. It could have easily went down, right, and eliminate all my profits back to break-even point, and end up I may overall be in a loss because of CSX. So it's mainly risk and money management decision, right, to get out at a profit of 1:2 risk to reward, so that overall I'm profitable with one winning trade and one losing trade, right? Okay, so hope that sharing helps you with the way you think about managing your trade, right? That's all from me, right? Very light day, light trading, preparing for Chinese New Year as well. Definitely after Chinese New Year celebration, definitely will be more serious in focusing on trading the markets, right? Now we are and also because the past 2 weeks ago I didn't really had a good week, so I'm going slowly right now, right? Tuning down my risk as well, right? Preparing for Chinese New Year, and also readjusting myself to get into winning ways as well, right? Okay, so that is very important for a trader, right? And hope you have a great day trading today, and even last week as well. And hope that this remaining of the week you have a wonderful trading profits week, and also enjoy the Chinese New Year coming soon, right? I hope you are preparing yourself for the celebration and enjoying the long holiday for Chinese New Year as well. And that's all from me. May the profits always be with you. And just in case you are wondering if you could actually learn from me about what I do here on a daily basis, or even how I select for swing trades, you could I actually hold an online free workshop where I share more about my strategy to use on day trading and swing trading, stock trading, right? And finding the winning trades. So if you are interested, you can click the link around this video, right, to register to attend, and in this workshop I will share more about this strategy with you, right? Okay, so that's all from me. Good night. All the